Hello class 10 students. Once more welcome to 8th mathematics class. Today we are going to learn a new chapter. The name of the chapter is linear inequation. Before linear inequation, we have done linear equation in our previous classes. Still we are doing linear equation, that is linear equation where LHS equal to RHS. So left hand side equals to right hand side. One example given, x plus 2 equals to 5. This type of sums we have done in our previous classes and still we are doing. But today in class 10 we will learn linear inequation where only 4 symbols will be there, that is greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. These 4 symbols are there, or I can say 4 signs are there where the things, that is linear inequation, comes. Now we can see over here LHS greater than RHS, LHS greater than equal to RHS, LHS less than RHS, and LHS less than equal to RHS. These 4 things you keep in mind, children. Very important in linear inequation. Now comes to you, next part is replacement set. Under that what comes? 4 things are there, very important. Natural number denoted by n, and we all know it starts with 1 2 3 4 and goes on infinity. Whole number symbol W starts with 0 1 2 3 4 and goes on till infinity. Integers can be denoted by I or Z, whether it can be in I or we can write in Z also. And integers, we know negative numbers will be there, 0 will be there, and positive numbers will be there. Next comes real number. Real number means a set of real numbers, includes all numbers, that is whole number, integers, rational number, irrational number, everything comes in the real number. So, and real number is denoted by R. So few things, what things are there we have to keep in mind. N means natural number, W means whole number, I or Z means integers, and last R means real number. These 4 things we have to keep in mind. Next comes to you, linear inequation in one variable can be written as ax plus b less than 0, ax plus b less than equal to 0, ax plus b greater than 0, or ax plus b greater than equal to 0. But keep in mind, a not equal to 0 and a and b are real number. Very important part of these things. Keep in mind in linear inequation. I hope up to here you have understood. Next comes to you few examples I'll give you side by side, linear equation and linear inequation. These things are very important, children. First I'll give you linear equation which we have done, that is x plus 2 equals to 5. How can I solve? We can write, that is both side LHS and RHS, I can do minus 2 and minus 2. So what I'll get? X plus 2 minus 2 equal to 5 minus 2, both side minus 2. So x, here you see minus 2 and plus 2 cancel, minus 2 plus 2 cancel, what remains? X. Here 5 minus 2 gives you 3. So what we got? X equals to 3. This can be written as, once more I can write in form of the x plus 2 equals to 5. I can place this plus 2 over this, means anything which comes from LHS to RHS, the sign changes. Minus become plus, plus become minus. Here plus 2, if I bring from LHS to RHS, it becomes minus 2. These things we have learned in previous classes. So x equals to 3. This one type and this one type. 2 types are there, or 2 methods are there. Whichever you can follow, you follow. But in school or in examination, you are following this method. So no problem. you can apply this method also. See now, side by side I'll show you linear inequation also. You see here linear inequation, x plus 2 greater than 5. What difference between these two? Here is equal to and here is greater than symbol is there. Only this is a difference. Rest all thing remains same. You see x plus 2 minus 2 greater than x minus 2. Both sides I am subtracting 2. What I got? X greater than 3. Same thing here. X equal to here is greater than. Only difference is the symbol or the sign. Or I can solve this sum in this way also. Same method what we have done here, that is x plus 2 greater than 5. This gives you x greater than 5 minus 2, x greater than 3. Same thing here also, x equal to 3, here is x greater than 3. This is the difference. So I hope you have understood that only the symbol difference is there. Rest things are same, only equality sign, inequality sign is different. Rest everything is same. One more example we took, x minus 2 equals to 5 minus 2. So what will do? Add 2. Both sides I am adding 2. One method. So I got x equals to 7. Or one more method is there, simple method which we are following, x minus 2 equals to 5. Bring this minus 2 this side, it becomes plus, so x equals to 7. Same thing will follow in this inequation also, that is x minus 2 greater than 5. So both sides what I am doing, plus 2 plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 cancel, what remains? X, and here 5 plus 2 gives you 7. One more method is there, direct method, x minus 2 greater than 5. So x greater than 5 plus 2, x greater than 7. This method also you can follow. You can follow either this method or you can follow this method, or I have given or. Any method you can follow, no problem for that. Now very important things we are going to discuss, that is in linear equation. I gave third example, minus 3x equals to 6. So what we can do? Divide by minus 3 both the sides. We'll get x equals to minus 2. Clear? But in linear inequation, minus 3x greater than 6. Both sides I am dividing with a negative number. Keep in mind negative number. My inequality sign, you see here is greater than, it become less than. So if you divide with negative integer or negative number, then your inequality sign will change. It becomes x less than minus 2. Very important thing is there. Here there is no change in the sign, but here is a change in sign. This is a very important part. One more thing, fourth example, minus x equals to 6. What do we do? Multiply with the minus 1, it becomes minus into minus plus. Here is minus, so x equals to minus 6. But in inequation, minus x greater than 6, both sides multiplying with minus, means negative number or negative integer. So what we got? We got then and there my symbol changes. You see the symbol, that is here is greater than, it becomes less than directly. That means x less than minus 6. So what we can notice? We can notice that children, in case of addition, subtraction with negative integers, no sign changes. But in case of multiplication, division with negative numbers or integers, the sign, inequality sign is changing. Greater than becomes less than becomes greater than. This is a very important part of inequation. The things which I have discussed, I have given in the form of PDF. You can go through from PDF also, and remaining things we'll discuss in our next class. Till then, goodbye, be at home, be safe, thank you.